What are we in?
So 1964 Ford F100.
Woo. The owner bought this the way it is. It was obviously someone's project.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, something that they probably built at home.
It certainly looks that way. I mean, everywhere you look, there's something custom on it. So
yeah,
someone spent a lot of time and a lot of thought on it.
It looks like it looked quite a creative project also as well. Like there's quite a few elements to it all. It's got a lot of different cars and bits into one, and it all didn't really work too smoothly together, did it?
No, we had to redesign a few parts, a few things. So yeah, it's got a Cleveland engine, AOD transmission, and then that's paired up to a Jag rear end. It came in, we gave it a comprehensive inspection, did some engineering items on it. We ended up dismantling the complete vehicle and sandblasting the chassis. We repaired and welded the chassis with new gussets, fish plates, and a lot of strengthening items. We then repainted the chassis and reassembled it. So yeah, it's all fresh underneath.
Like that Jag rear end is pretty interesting. It's got, it's a fully independent, and it's got twin coilovers on each side.
Yeah, inboard brake.
Yeah, inboard brakes. Like
if you're not used to seeing that, well, it's definitely different.
It's weird, eh?
Yeah, and when we went to re-register, we found a lot of engineering items that needed addressing. Hence the chassis strengthening. We did a few other items as well, like we had to put some strengthening in for the seatbelt plants. They needed a bit of reworking. Also put some like push button latches on the hard lid. That was an engineering thing just to keep it locked down. Made some handbrake cables as it came in. It had no handbrake. Obviously that's a roadworthy item. So yeah, just basically went over it. Put a new steering column. You got that nice steering column, nice shiny new steering wheel there.
Yes, did see that.
So yeah, just some finishing touches just to keep it legal and keep it cracking straight.
And it sounds good.
It does sound very good.
It's got a, like, now what you were pointing out, when you pop that bonnet, it's actually pretty nice under there. There's a few custom touches. The engine looks really good, but it's also got the intake facing towards the firewall.
Yeah, so it's got a bit of a custom Carl induction scoop going on with it, and the air is actually fed from down near our feet. There's some factory vents in there.
Which is really cool because you can hear the induction
definitely
inside, which is a really cool note. I like that.
It's different.
There's a bit of patina, the paint's been lead, there's a few fiberglass guards. Got the Aussie ampole on the side.
Yeah, very nostalgic.
Yeah, it's actually got a really cool look. Like
big wheels under it.
Yeah, like it's got it suits it.
Yeah. The owner that built it actually, I don't know if you're familiar with your fin style rocker covers, he actually bought, I think, 7 sets of rocker covers to then chop the fins off them so he could put fin caps on things like the brake reservoir.
I did see some of that.
So if you notice all those little touches, like on top of the radiator, they're actually a custom done from
That's cool.
valve covers.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the episode. If you need work done on your car, give us a call, check out the website. See you next time.
Thanks guys.